Welcome to this quick and easy guide on how to allow specific users to see your bio on Telegram web using your PC. With the latest update, Telegram now gives you more control over who can view your personal information, including your bio, so you can decide exactly who gets access and who doesn't. Let's go through each step together. First, open Telegram web on your computer. Once it's up, head to the top left corner of the screen and click on the three horizontal lines, also known as the menu icon. This will open a side panel showing different options. Next, select Settings from the menu. Inside the Settings page, go to Privacy and Security. This is where all your privacy-related controls are found, perfect for keeping your account just the way you want it. Now, find and click on the option labeled Bio. By default, Telegram might have your bio visible to your contacts, but to fully customize it, you'll first need to select Nobody under the Who Can See My Bio section. This ensures that no one can view your bio unless you specifically allow them. After choosing Nobody, look for the Always Allow option. Click on it and you'll be prompted to select the users you'd like to make an exception for the people who can still view your bio despite the privacy setting. Pick the users you want from your contact list. You can choose one person, a few, or even a small group, depending on how private you want to keep your information. Once you've selected them, click Confirm to save your changes. And that's it. You've now successfully set Telegram web to hide your bio from everyone except the specific users you've allowed. It's a simple update, but a really powerful one, especially if you value privacy and prefer sharing personal details selectively.